This is NOAA Weather Radio Station KP899, serving the Aloha State, and broadcasting from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Honolulu.
A wet and windy trade wind weather pattern will continue through the weekend with showers favoring windward and Mount areas. The strong winds will be able to push some of the showers over leeward areas at times. The winds will gradually diminish early next week. Passing showers will continue to favor windward and Mount areas. A wind message for Niihau, Kauai, Oahu, Molokai, Lanai, Kaho'olawe, Maui lower elevations, Big Island lower elevations. The wind advisory is now in effect until 6 p.m. Saturday. Winds east 20 to 35 miles per hour with localized gusts over 50 miles per hour. Timing through Saturday afternoon. Impacts: winds this strong can bring down tree branches, produce local power outages, and make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. A wind advisory means that sustained winds of at least 30 miles per hour, or gusts of at least 50 miles per hour, are expected. Motorists should use extra caution while driving.
Why? I'm going on break. I'm not cleaning up the puke downstairs. Real sure.